In 1957, Chevrolet was losing to Ford. What they built to fight back became the most recognizable car in American history.
GM gave designer Harley Earl one instruction: make it look like it was already moving while standing still.
He drew those tail fins inspired by the Lockheed P-38 fighter jet. It came with a new small block V8, the engine so perfectly designed that versions of it are still being built and sold today, 67 years later. It outsold Ford. It became the symbol of American optimism in the post-war era. Every American who was alive in 1957 remembers exactly where they were when they first saw one. A fully restored 1957 Bel Air in two-tone paint sells today for $85,000. The small block engine design it introduced has powered over 100 million vehicles. They built it to beat Ford for 1 year. It beat everyone forever.